If you're tired of looking for a dream home that checks all your boxes in KWC, and you feel like the dollar just can't get you far enough anymore in Kitchener-Waterloo, then this might just be the answer for you. The home that you see right behind me is the newest model home by Ridgeview here in the Knightsbridge community of Stratford, Ontario. Here's what we are going to do. I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful model home that you see right behind me, and then at the end I will tell you everything you need to know about this particular community, including great prices and incentives that will blow your mind. So stay tuned and let's dive right into it. Now, this particular model, you are looking at a two-story layout, but there are bungalow style layouts available as well within this community, which is unheard of these days for Kitchener-Waterloo builders. You can see around me, like this whole community is being built from the ground up. And you can see those ones, like those are some of the bungalow style layouts that you can see along the streets, and then you see some two-story layouts. But there are plenty of options within this community. From what I can remember, they have close to 10 different floor plans and models to choose from. So for now, I'll get into all those details at the end of this video, but for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. Now let's dive straight into some key details about this particular community. Now this one is the Rosalind model, which is in fact the newest floor plan they just introduced. This one features close to 1900 square feet of finished living space, above grade, and you do have additional 1-bedroom basement apartment finished by the builder with separate entrance. So perfect for a multi-gen living. I did like the fact that they kept it to a 3-bedroom layout with decent sized rooms on the second level there, as I've seen many builders in KWC offering 4-bedroom layouts in homes as little as 1500 square feet these days. Overall, this model felt like nice and a spacious layout. Within this Knightsbridge community, you do have a range of options for detached homes ranging from $900,000 all the way to $1.2 million, located on a decent sized lot. For more specific details on available floor plans and incentives by the builder and myself, be sure to reach out. All the info you'll find right below. And if you did get some value, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap on that bell so YouTube knows I'm doing somewhat good job here. And whether you are thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. All my info is right below. I'd be more than happy to help you and family make a smooth move in and around KWC. Until next time, well, I do hope to show you around town.